end of season car meet from the Alpine drive crew. The season is ending and we want to get our last drive in. It is pretty cold already, but now we are on the way to Sustenpass. Yes, the best road ever in my opinion. Now the speed limit opens up. Again, 90 on the speedo is 80 on the GPS. I have it right here. Need to get the tires up to temperature. I'm on semi-slicks and the road is not too warm today because it's almost winter already. Beautiful autumn ride. But wow, no traffic so far. Around the corners, wow. I'm also thinking of making a car meet myself here in Switzerland, like a James Barry car meet. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in that. I think that could be a lot of fun, meeting nice people, enjoying sports cars. Wow, this road, I think the surface is really good. Perfect for my semi-slicks. Yeah, and the rear really wants to be loaded in those corners. So that's why I brake a bit earlier and then apply some throttle in the corners. Because this is a mid-engine car. It's just some different dynamics than a front engine. Bit on the throttle. Wow. And in sport mode it lets you kick the rear out a little bit. So much fun. And yeah, on the top of Sustenpass we are gonna meet the Alpine drive crew and everyone that shows up with the sports car. This corner is so cool. Wow, I can feel the rear. Oh no, some traffic. Sadly some traffic. Maybe I'll quickly go out and wait until we have no more traffic. So let's chill here for a second. Car is also warm. We can thrash it. Woohoo! I'm gonna stay on my lane because that makes the road much more fun and much more challenging to actually try and go the speed limit whilst staying in your lane. Yeah, in my opinion it's just much more fun. Whoa, the sound! Guys, it is so much fun and this road is so beautiful. Just look at those views. Speed limit and now it opens up. I somehow have the feeling that my blips are not hitting today. My downshift blips. There's a little bit of a delay. Okay, let me check that. Sport mode. Oh, it smells like cow poo-poo here. Yeah, something I think is wrong with my blipping. Yeah, what is it? It's only when I'm out of gear. When I'm in gear. Oh, okay. Ah, it still has some lag. What is that lag? Can you hear that? Maybe turn the car off and on again might help. Because yeah, this could be problematic. What is it now? 80 or 60? I think it might be 60 here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna roll with it. Weird throttle behavior. But yeah, as you know, Lotus, people say lots of trouble, usually serious, but it's usually silly. It's usually silly stuff like that. And this is actually the first time I had my Lotus act up on me. Whoa. Okay, I just need to be on the gas a little longer for the perfect downshift blip. Whoa. Catched up to those again. I think we might go out again. Oh, I don't know what that sound is. It doesn't really sound that good, to be honest. Little rotation! Woo! Yes. Yes, I think we're gonna go out again. I think here is a spot where we can go out really quickly. Yes, I'm gonna go out here really quickly. Maybe let's turn off the car and see if the problem gets fixed. Oh no, someone is coming. Oh cool. He's also having a good pace, so we don't have to wait that long. I hope the issue is resolved. The blipping. Yeah, now stationary looks good. Let's go again. Again, under load, everything sounds fine. It's just when I blip the downshifts. Oh yeah, now it's better. Now it's better. Quick power cycle of the car solved the problem for now. But still, it's something I'm gonna mention to my dealer, to my mechanic. Oh, Sustenpass, the best road in my opinion. Look at these tight corners, and it's 80 allowed here. Kicking the back out a little, working with the weight transfer of the car, trail braking and applying slide throttles in the turns so we can rotate the rear a little bit more, because the car is rear heavy. Yeah, the front is pretty light when turning in, so you need to shift the weight forward to the front tires actually, so you have maximum grip in the turn in. Mid corner kind of, you can apply some throttle to then rotate the car. Oh, that was a misshift into fourth. That was really bad. I think I'm gonna still leave it in the video because yeah, I too make mistakes. makes the throttle a bit more responsive and the rear kick out a little. That was f***ing close, man. Whoa. Yeah, just overtake if you're 110% sure there's no one coming. And drive like if you would encounter yourself. Would you make an accident? If the answer is yes, you need to adjust your driving. See? Oh, accident. So let's slow down a little bit. Anyone? Oh, what a shame, guys. No one wants accidents. No one. But we can still have some fun, even when staying safe. Could have taken this in second gear, but yeah, I'm not on a racetrack, so whoa, look at the views, guys. Wow. Okay, the guys have stopped here, so let's chill here for a second. The top of Sustenpass, oh, Rari. Give it some beans. Let's go again. I'm gonna go last because then I can have some type of a free road, because usually I know people drive slower than me in the corners but faster than me in the straights, which is not ideal. Look at this beautiful day, guys. Wow. We are almost up anyway. Here, I think, hairpin, trail braking, and off the brakes, on the throttle a bit. Oh, what a shame. Thank you for letting me pass. That was a nice guy. Wow. Some people are really nice, and some people will do everything to prevent you from overtaking. It's so funny. Yes, these are nice corners. Guys, wow! Oh my god, this is literally a dream day. And I'm surprised there's no snow up here already, because it actually snowed up here. Now I think the weather was nice for long enough, so it actually melted. And usually now the road is still wet because all of the snow that melted, but we got a perfect day. Insane. Okay, we can see a bus oncoming. He probably needs both lanes for that hairpin. A little tail kicking, never hurt anyone. But yeah, I'm obviously not gonna drift on semi-slicks. It's not what they're made for. And it's also not allowed. Whoa, that was a nice turn. No slip at all. Now I'm excited how many people already showed up to the meet here on Sustenpass. Wow, yeah. Wow, the parking is crowded. Okay. I want to go to the Lotus, guys. Let's get out and check out these cars.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spitting in a 644. Cash money like 504.
Guys, do you remember the Caterham I drove in? This is the exact model. This is actually a rented one from Kumschik, and probably this person thought, hey, let's rent a Caterham for a nice day like this. And he was completely right. This is probably the most fun car out of all of them right here. Insane.
Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ons. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7's East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though.
Hey, schön. And it was actually not a random guy driving that Caterham. Two guys from Kumschik Sports Cars came up with their cars today. And in the next video, I got to drive this Lotus Exige. And it was absolutely amazing, so check it out.